Guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another live. My name's Dion. I'm trading BTC live today. I have today and like every other day. I have everything set up, ready to go on the charts. I'll take you guys through my analysis in just a sec. I like to trade after 9:30 a.m. New York time. Started a little bit early just so that I can go on social media, spread the live so we can get some more people on. So that's exactly what I'm going to do now. Just going to double check. If you're in and you're watching, send us a message because I'm going to have the chat thing up in a sec as well. Chat. Alright, say hi. I'm going to make this pop out. And I'll be able to see you guys as well if anyone decides to say anything. So got the chat live here. Pop it up for now. There we go. I'm going to share some of this. We're approaching our trading time. I'm leaving this here. This is where I want to take my entry. And I'll go through it in a sec and tell you guys why. Right now we're just going to share the live around. Get some people on. Okay, putting that there. Let's get on Instagram as well. And then we can begin. A nice shot. Oh shit. Some light. Perfect. Alright, sweet. Looks like price is pulling in now. Expecting a rally up to here. I'm going to quickly set my stop loss and take profit on DYDX. If you... I did take an L yesterday, as you can see. Wait. Okay, it's kind of playing up a little bit. So here, I took a 2% L yesterday. I don't know why it's not showing up on my 24-hour thing. Alright, price is coming up. I better shut up and get to it. Give me 1 sec. So we're looking to sell. I'm going to add the slider. Probably chuck on like 10x. That's usually how much, roughly around there. Set the triggers. So my stop loss... I will do this on DYDX just so it's a little bit more accurate. So I'm looking for price to pull up into this area here. Pull my stop loss above this open fair value gap. So just being at 16,491. 16,491. And for the take profit, I would like to try and get back below that low. So I'm going to keep it 16. Well, honestly, my overall take profit, I want to go for the sell stops here, sell stops here. We're gonna stick with it, like the low hanging fruit, because that's what's worked with me. So just below the last low is perfect. So you know what, I'll put it below the bodies on the 1 minute. So 16,337. Sweet. And now we'll wait for price to pull up. I'll mark the entry on the chart so we can enter as soon as we see it cross through. Right there. I think that's where it is. Quick look on the 1 minute. So that's on the 5. So I'm gonna double check. It is a little bit slow. Please bear with me. It's just because I got a real cooked laptop. No, so it was actually this one up here. My bad. That's what I thought. Like, I didn't remember that second fair value gap up there. So the reason why I chose this fair value gap and not this one is because I've got the relative equal highs here in the form of buy stops. So let me just reset that one there. Now we'll just redo it. Okay, so Okay, it's a little bit choppy there. We'll go into the 2 minute. Is it gonna let me do that? Nah, can't do 2 minute. 3 minute? Nah, never mind. Let's go into the 5 minute in this case. May have to rely on TradingView for this one. So as I see, everything's fairly balanced. So I'm going to put my stop loss just above the candle as ICT teaches. So 16,546. 546. So 16,546. So just roughly there. I mean, it will show itself once I place the trade anyway. But it's just so that I can see it visually on the screen. And then my take profit just being below that low. So over here I have my levels set out. Maybe I'll just mark them up so it's a little bit easier for you guys to see. So I'll do this one green. So that represents the take profit. And I'll do this red to represent my stop loss. I'm putting 2% risk as always. Price is starting to pull up now. So I do want to see it touch through these relative equal highs, touch into this fair value gap before seeing a push down. It's a very tight stop loss, to be honest. These ones are always scary, but look, it's always going to be the case. This is how I trade. Let's pull up the chat. Yo, dude, how you going? What's up? How's your day been? Okay, so let's get this on. Ooh, oopsies. Put this over here because I don't really need to see this stuff. So something like there. Alright, I don't need to see that either. Perfect. Sweet. Now it's just a matter of waiting for price to pull up, and the stop loss at that blue line should be about 2% of this. So 36, that'll be like what, 72? $72, yep. So you'll see the closer and closer I get to entry, the more and more the profit will be, and the smaller and smaller the stop loss will be. Alright, well in this case, we're waiting for the trade to play out. Let's talk about it. So, it's the same thing every single day, and I say this every single stream. First, I want my daily bias. My daily bias is to go short. Let's go into that. My reason is because I believe, look, most of this is balanced, and I feel like it is a bit of a stretch for price to rally that hard given the market conditions. So more than likely, we're going to come and take out these equal lows. A lot of sell stops below here. So I want to see price come down to there. Like ultimately, that is my long target. But I feel like if I set that as my long target for tonight, it's going to be hard for me to sleep because there's just so much room. I'm a scalper essentially. I'm in and I'm out. I want to be in and out of the trade within an hour. And then I want to go to sleep peaceful. Don't want to hold it overnight. But if it's needed, then I will. So that's my daily bias. That's why I want to go short. I do believe price is going to hit through. It's aiming to take out sell side liquidity, which is below here essentially. Moving into the hourly. We had, when did yesterday start? So on the 22nd. We had a pretty strong move yesterday to the upside, taking out most of yesterday's, sell-off. We've come through. We've taken out the relative equal highs here. I'm not sure if we've rebalanced any fair value gaps, but we have taken out the buy-side liquidity here. I think it's time for price to reprice to the downside. There's fair value gaps here looking to be rebalanced. There's fair value gaps here looking to be rebalanced. We got sell side there. We got sell side liquidity there. So I'm looking for price to come through both those levels. Honestly, like a long term, if I was swing trading, I would target something like there. Go for that much larger trade. But no, I am just like, I'm fine with this. I stick with my plans very solidly. Sometimes it offers 1 to 3. Sometimes it's more. Today, It's about 1 to 7. I'm putting up 2%, so we have a possible 14% win tonight. And of course, as always, a possible 2% loss. So, like I said, currently I'm waiting for price to come up. I've got the same 3 lines on every single chart every time I trade. So given the daily bias, which is short, keep that in mind. I put the 12 a.m. open, New York time. And then I mark London high and London low. And based on how price reacts to these levels, that is how I determine sort of where my entries and stop losses are. So what did I see? I saw the London highs get swept, taken out first. What does that mean? We're engineering sell side liquidity, because if we're breaking above this high, retail's looking for break and retest, or they think we're pricing higher, so they're going to go long. Where do they put their stop losses when they go long? Below the last lows, so anywhere below here, depending on their risk tolerance. We've come through, we've taken that out in a very strong aggressive move to the downside, which shifted market structure. So now I'm looking for price to pull back through into a fair value gap within the premium market. What is the premium market? So from that London high, or from the sweep of London highs to the last swing low, which shifted market structure, anything above the 50% level is where I want to be taking my short, because this is the premium market and I only short sell in a premium market. Vice versa, if I'm looking to go long, I will only go long in the discount. So as you can see, my entry is in the premium market within the fair value gap. Of course, you can't see it at the moment. It's on the 15-minute. Oh, no, you can see it because it's on the 15-minute. Stop above that candle. If we go into smaller time frames, it holds true. Honestly, I could put my stop loss even tighter, but I'm not about that. I'm just, I'm not trying to go for these. I'm not trying to manipulate my trade to be as tight as possible, to squeeze as much profits as it can. My plan is very specific, and the way it sets out the profit and stop loss, it's very objective. Like, I'm not looking, trying to squeeze profits. It's like, okay, this is the specific spot you enter, this is the specific spot you get out, and this is a specific spot you take your profits. I'm sticking to that very strictly, and yeah, that's why you see things set up as the way they do. So where are we now in the sort of in the timing of this trade? Well, we've had most of it set up. We're waiting for that last piece of the puzzle, which is the pullback into this fair value gap. See, how many people have we got on? Usually it's about 1 to 2. Right now we have no one. Standard. So yeah, we're just going to wait for our price to pull back up now. It's currently 1:11 a.m. Adelaide time. So I've gotten pretty used to this now. I remember when I first started doing these live streams, I was cooked for the first few days. I was like almost passing out on live stream and everything, and now it's just become a normal thing, Before I was trying to find ways to stay awake or find ways to get enough rest before the live stream. I was getting up and taking walks around my desk, taking laps. It was really fun, to be honest. But now it's good. We've settled down. I've got a set schedule. I've got a nice little routine going. It's very nice. It works very well. Keep my bold ass warm. Still waiting. Oh yeah, also I placed in the top 10%, I think, of last season so DYDX does these competitions and they do them in seasons. Pretty much one season is one trading week, and I think he goes from Tuesday to Tuesday or Wednesday to Wednesday. But pretty much last season, which was last week, I placed in the top 10% of the traders in my category, which is silver, and that's really nice. So you already know what we're aiming for this week. We want to go for sub 8%, I reckon, or just within the top. I want to hit top 10% again, but I think this time I just scraped in. I want to have a solid, top 7%, top 8%, if not better. I do believe I can. It's good. I've made some mistakes over the last week or two. I'm slowly correcting them. Like as you can see, I'll pull up my testing sheet. At the end of each week, I always talk about what I did wrong, what I could do better. You will see it on here on the testing sheet. Put an alert just to let me know, just in case I start slacking or like don't pay attention. For example, here, consider the order block for an entry, power of 3 for bias, consider the correlation strength, so on and so on. Yesterday I took an L, and the reason was because price rallied way too hard into the place where I like to trade, which is 930. It rallied way too hard, so taking a short there is essentially just trying to catch that reversal, and that's not good to catch. Like usually when that happens, you want to wait until the PM session, which starts at like 1 o'clock New York time, I'm pretty sure. I don't trade that time because it's just simply way too late for me, so I'm not trading that late. At the moment, I see some relative equal highs being set up. I want to see price pull up into a fair value gap, but I'm not looking for this one. Why? It's not within the discount. Oh, sorry, the premium market. I'll drop the Fibonacci again. This one's different because it's got colors, but look, same principle. There's the 50% level here. So anything above there, that's why this is the one that I'm targeting. It may take some time to get there. Whatever, I'm here until my session is done, which is 12 PM London time. Alright, looks like price is starting to shoot up. I think it's going to be an aggressive rally. It's going to be a scary entry again, as per usual, because this entry, we are short, like, in this situation, I just heard some shit. In this situation, like we are short as price is making a very strong run up, and we're going long as price is running down. Here we go into fair value gap 1. Lips dry as fuck. Tapped into there. Now I wonder if other ICT students are shorting from here, because look, little order block here, short from there, but I don't know. I do like this one a lot because it is above the relative equal highs. So let's see what price does. Again, I am only risking $72, so as price pulls up into that blue line, I want to take a short sell with this being as close as 72 as possible. You know, I'd rather less than more in this case because I am risking 2%. So now we're just waiting. Very basic model. I like it a lot. And if you think about it, from here to here, that is the daily range. So then we are also trading in a premium of the daily range. The open is here, so we will be shorting above the daily high because I want to see that turn around. I do have a feeling that if it is a successful trade, that it will be a fairly quick one. But now we're just playing the waiting game. Everything's set up. Price action has been a little bit wonky over the past few days, but tonight it does seem normal. Let's have a sus who's on Discord. Close that. Don't want distractions. my phone far away there. So how do I feel about this trade? I do feel good about it, to be honest. I'm gonna quickly take a before screenshot here just so I don't need to do it after. Today it's the 24th of November. Forgot to turn off my camera. My camera's not working again, but it's working before. I don't know what's going on with it. That's why I'm just using my webcam and it's not very clear. So we tapped into this fair value gap, but this isn't the one I want to trade. I want to trade this one. I'd say this is a greedy entry, but look, if it does reject off here and it flies through and melts there, that would invalidate my trade. I'm going to sleep. Because more than likely, if that's the case, I think it will melt fairly strong. And then we will see some sort of pullback again before dropping, maybe. It's a good opportunity for that fake bull run, like the fake, it's the bear market pumps, the bear market rallies, I guess. And I'm out of water again. I really need to just bring stashes of water bottles in here, to be honest. I just have a lot of water on deck, because I drink a lot of water towards the night time when I'm trading, I've realized. Looks like we are sticking true to the narrative. Price is pulling up. As you can see, this is getting closer and closer. I'm gonna have a look at open interest and see what's happening as well. So for today, open interest is going up as price is going up. Okay, that's good. That's what I want to see, because that means as price is going up, people are entering positions, and as we saw these two candles, price coming down, people are closing positions, or people are being stopped out. That's good. That's what I want to see. That's indicating to me that we're having a lot of people going long, and I want to fade that. I want to go short. So price here is continuing to pull up. Just there. There we go. $316. So 316. And that's good. Okay, sweet. It's just scary with the stop loss being this tight, but I guess the more I do it, the more it's going to, like, I'm just going to get used to it. Well, the only shit that's not unbalanced is like up to here. So I hope it doesn't come up to fully balance. I think being on the 1 minute, I'm going to put it just above the swing high. There's no danger. 16,548. Is that what it was before? Right, let's give it that 2 extra points. 2 extra bucks. See price continuing to move up. Good, good, good. Got a little apple here to have afterwards. Yeah, just waiting. Just waiting. Is anyone on stream? No, no, no. Yeah, I'm very happy with this trade. Open interest coming up with a bullish candle. Let's fucking go. Just wonder how fast it's going to shoot up. That's the only concern, because that's what fucks up a little bit of the trade, when it shoots up real fast and I'm trying to adjust the risk and then I miss out a bit here or enter too late there. But so far it hasn't been detrimental, because like the trades that I do get stopped out on, like it doesn't really matter. So wonder how everything else is going to. Rune, I want Rune to come down to sub $1. I want to pick up a fat bag under $1, to be honest. But I don't think so. Astar's performing decent. Let's go back to BTC. Yeah, I don't really think we're going to see too much of a rally. If we do and it rallies hard, then I can, whatever loss I make here will be made up for with my long-term investments. I can pull some shit in and dump it there, but I don't think I will. I'll just make it back trading. Price is being a bit slow pulling up, to be honest. The fact that we haven't tapped into here and bounced yet is a good sign. As you can see. These relative equal highs. It's all very nice here. With that fair value gap resting just above. So far, we're up 3.6% for the week. Not too bad. Let's see if we can end it at plus 10% again. I think it's very doable. I mean, if we hit this trade, yeah, easy done. Price does need to come back down. Retracements just needs to set up more buy stops with each pullback, so it gives price something to run into. So nearly 1:30, so it's not too bad. Just half an hour almost into the trading session. Just waiting. Damn. That open interest jumped right there. People going long. What's that telling me? Which candle is that? So if people went heaps long there, it's probably heaps of buy stops. Sorry, sell stops below there. Which already offers a good risk to reward, to be honest. What, like 1 to 5? That's 10% there, and 2%. Okay, I want to see this bullish candle set off a new move. Don't want it to see it close below the last downwards moving candle. Hopefully we have a break of here. Okay, make our way higher. I am a bit tired. That's not too bad. All my analysis has been done. Like, I don't need to use too much more brain power. It's just a matter of like staying on and being here to catch the trade when it does make its way up there. I do predict that whatever low we form here is going to be a strong increase in what's it called? Strong increase in the open interest. This candle here, see this candle is spiked below. Like I said, there's probably sell stops below there, so spike them out. I do believe there's more resting just below here. Here's a little short-term trade. Look, relative equal highs, break above that, fair value gap, order block, perfect touch. Could probably long from there, to be honest, into the entry point, but it's not what I'm doing today. Today, I'm simply waiting for 16,530. Just gonna go for a run through my socials on my phone while I wait. I'm gonna have a great sleep tonight for sure.
Reduce your expectations.
Sweet, here we go. Alright, looks like it's setting up now. So we head over to DYDX. This should be getting closer and closer to 72. And we're keeping it as a market execution. I don't know if I should add more leverage, because by the time it gets to there, it may be like 60 something bucks. But we'll see. Hopefully it just doesn't shoot up too fast, because then that's what gets me going, and there's like so much happening. Trying to adjust for risk appropriately, and trying to get the best price you can. But let's see what price does. Pricing higher. Or trying to. Like I said, this is an order block to be wary of. But I think this one's way stronger. Let's see what happens here. I think we're about to see an aggressive run for these buy stops. And then we're going to reprice lower. Yeah, like I said, I do feel like it's going to be a very aggressive run into those buy stops. I feel good about my stop loss. Fits the plan. If anything, it's a little bit more generous. Go pulling back to, let's see. Got the alert still, but won't need that. Waiting. Sell stops. It's just 3 short targets to aim for. I mean, this will become for the 4th. If this becomes a swing low, ooh. 38 minutes, almost 40 minutes into the stream. Let's go. Let's see a punch into that. To those buy stops, baby. Let's see, swing low has been formed. Let's see. It is a bit boring, but look, we're getting there slowly. Price will take its time. We're not here to rush it. We're just here to let it do its thing. What's going on with Litecoin? I've been seeing a lot of that on Twitter lately. Okay. Rally from this fair value gap. I like this punch. But still a while away. And the open interest is dropping as price is dropping. That still confirms what I was saying before, that people are adding positions as price is going higher. People want to try and catch the bottom. People are trying to catch the bottom. So anytime they see this sort of opportunity, they think it's the reversal, so they're trying to get in. I want to fade that because I don't think we've hit the bottom. Come on, let's see it. Let's see it, BTC. Show us your strength. It's not showing us its strength. Watch it closely, candle by candle. Very slow movement. So these are the positions people are putting in. Got some decent sell orders here. 2.2. On price higher. You can see there are more buy orders coming in. Some decent shorts. I don't trade with this, like I said. Shouldn't really be paying attention to that. 45 minutes into the session, we're almost there. Almost to our entry, guys. Swing high has been formed. I want to see that get taken. Look at this. Come on, price higher, please. Or maybe I'm just jinxing myself to tell me by saying that, because what if it does come up here and it really does price higher and I just get smashed? My computer's struggling to stay alive. I can hear it. It's so loud. This is the reality of being a trader. It's not trading by the beach, sitting there, drinking, trading on your phone. It's this. This is the reality of trading. It's just sitting here, we're waiting. It's patience. It's a nice picture. At least we're starting to see some movement pick up though. That's what I'm happy to see. Some movement picking up. Open interest continuing to drop, of course, because people are going long. This has been balanced. Oh, my eyes are starting to hurt. I'm gonna change the light so it's a little bit like warmer, because it's a bit intense at the moment. Turn down just a little bit. Okay, it should be a little bit better. Yeah, that is a lot nicer. guys are looking on here, because I know it's a bit delayed. Come on, let's see it. Should not drop below the last two, the last downwards closing candles being the order block. So it stays above that area, that range. Let's see what the algorithm does. How is it going to price its way higher? Nearly an hour in, sitting here waiting. That's okay. It's part of the job. Are we going to price down here to this fair value gap, or returning and then toss? Is that what we're going to see? I don't know. Oh, there's a new Overwatch character coming out. I haven't played Overwatch in a bit. It's a bit of a quiet one here. Just have to allow price to do what it does. And if the trade's meant to take place, the trade's meant to take place. I'm just trying to find something to do other than just sit here and stare at the screen, to be honest. So I guess for price to make a run higher, we do need people to start entering short positions to just engineer some buy stops for price to run to for some liquidity. It's always trying to make you think of something. It's trying to make you think it's going to do something so that you can enter your position, give the market its liquidity, then it will run for that. at the moment. I think that's what it's doing. I do believe we're going to see that rally into here before going short, or before price melts. So are we going to see price rally? Is this the move we're looking for? Let's see how strong this bullish candle decides to be. See if we're going to take out last highs. I guess things would be a lot simpler, to be honest, if I just placed like limit orders and then just went to sleep, so I wouldn't have to literally sit here, just watch it, but then it takes away the whole live streaming aspect of it. Unless I just live stream the entry and leave it at that and then do a coffee. I might start doing that, to be honest, because then otherwise, like, I'm just sitting here. Volatility is dying a bit. Our open interest is staggering. So price wants to continue its way lower. I do think this will come for this fair value gap. Not gonna lie, I am getting a little bit tired, but I think it's just price is not moving. My brain is just not being stimulated very much. See here. Short? Yeah, dude. Looking for shorts at the moment. Are you trading BTC? I'll put up the chat so it's easier for me to engage. We'll go into DYDX. Yep, I'm looking for shorts at the moment. I'm just waiting for price to pull into an area that I'm interested in, being right here. Just waiting. Do you trade BTC or what's up? Yeah, nice. Are you trading it at the moment? Oh, sweet. What are you? What's your bias at the moment? What are you waiting for? Oh, awesome. That's good to hear. The thing's kind of delayed, so I think your messages will come at different times. But yeah, where are you from, man? Because I don't think you're from Australia. Because if you would, you'd most likely be sleeping. It's 2 a.m. here. Yeah, nice. What's your sort of like trading idea? Where do you want to enter short? Are you waiting for a pullback as well, or price is still waffling on around here? Like I said, I do believe we're going to see some sort of push to the downside just to trick people into going short here, generating or engineering buy side liquidity for price to pull through. You can take out these highs, take out these relative equal highs, fill this fair value gap before dropping. Oh, I've never heard of that place before. What time is it at the moment for you? Okay, price doesn't seem to want to push down at this point, so I think this may be an area where we may see price pull up even further. Let's hope so. So I'm not sitting here all night. 16,555. Yeah, okay, so roughly where I'm looking, just above my stop loss pretty much. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, I just want to see a pickup in volatility here because price is being real slow. But I do feel like volatility is just squeezing at the moment, and we are gonna see. I mean, we can see that. Let's look at the open interest. Yeah, there's not too much happening. What I essentially want to see is, as price is moving up, I want to see open interest spike to the upside as well. So at the moment, there's not really too much happening. On the 5-minute and on the 15. Just not too much happening past like half an hour. So we're just waiting. Do you only trade BTC? Do you trade other things as well? Fuck. Also, how long have you been trading for, man? You're a beginner. What can you recommend? Well, how long have you been trading for? I mean, I guess as well, if you're a beginner, see, I trade Solana sometimes. Is there a specific reason why you decide to trade Solana? Because my whole thing is you want to trade what you understand. If you're just trading random assets, it doesn't really get you very far. Because you really want to understand what you're trading and why. You want to be very specific. I only trade Bitcoin. I trade one specific strategy at one specific time of the day. For a month? Okay, so you're very new. Is this the only experience you've had with trading, or did you used to trade like Forex or stocks or something before that, indices? And also, how are you finding trading? How's it been so far? Price being real slow. Oh, that's okay. Now we got sell side liquidity and we got buy side up here. So looking for price to come through. You take out buy side first before repricing lower. Okay, if you're a beginner, so just as a little background, I've been trading for almost 3 years now. So I got a little bit of experience. If you want to save time, don't follow Telegram groups, avoid signals, and avoid basic retail trading methods. So, for example, using trend lines and support and resistance and all that, it doesn't help very much. Is that sort of what you're learning at the moment? Are they teaching you about these like different patterns and stuff? SMT. I don't think I know what that is. Is that like smart money something? Do you mean SMC, like smart money concepts? Yeah. Okay. Well, I mean, if you want to see, like, because I trade ICT method, so ICT, his name's Michael, Inner Circle Trader. He's got this YouTube model, like a mentorship. It's like 40 something videos long. That's pretty much where I learn how to trade. And I trade that every single night, dude, from Monday to Thursday. I'm on the charts doing this. So if you want to see this sort of in action around this time, you should subscribe to my channel. I'm here live trading every single day, so you can see this in action. There's no fake stuff here. I'm trading on DYDX. This is on the blockchain, so everything can be verified on the blockchain. It's all real funds, everything like that. Because I see a lot of people out there, you know, they're flexing this and that, or they're talking about how profitable they are, but they got nothing to really back it up. So I didn't want to be like one of those people, because I do talk a little bit online. So I decided to start trading live so I can show people that I really am about like what I say. I really do what I say I do. Okay, I got a feeling we're going to price lower now, take out these relative equal lows, then make our way up. It's just taking a while for this to play out. Okay, let's take out these lows. Sweet. We're gonna fill in this gap. Gonna rebalance it. Nice rejection. Because once we take out this last swing low, what that's gonna do is engineer buy stops, and price is gonna come up for liquidity and take that out. But we need people to think we're going short, because I want to see shorts get engineered. So I want to see open interest increase. Perfect as price is dropping, which is exactly what we're seeing. Awesome, there you go. That nice little spike up there. That's good. I've got a feeling that means people are opening their positions going short, which is exactly what I want, because if they're going short, they're going to be putting their stop losses above there. So let's see how this develops. I'm going to add an alert and just go to the toilet real quick. See, hopefully that doesn't run while I'm gone. Has price done anything? Alright, we've punched to the downside. Sweet. Let's see if open interest has increased. Boom, that's what we're looking for. There we go. People are entering short. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Price is starting to price lower. This is interesting. Or were people looking to go long? This price pulled lower. Because that would explain why this drop pulled through. So my invalidation is my target. If it breaks through my target, then I'm out the trade. 16,400. Why are you saying 16,400? What do you think about that level? Like, that's where we are. Yeah. Why the sad face? Okay, we are starting to pick up some volatility now against our direction. Good thing, well, not against that, like it is in our direction, it's just like away from my entry. Tapped into the fair value gap here, I can see. So if we were to see a reversal to the upside, it should be happening right now. If not, then there's a solid chance we continue further, and that would invalidate my trade. I go to sleep, and then we wait till tomorrow, Thursday. Oh, we've been going for a while now. It's 2:20 a.m. here. Yes, that is what 532. Yeah, that is where I want to enter short. Are we gonna see this shoot up? Hey dude, how you going? Kareem, how are you going? Where are you tuning in from? What time is it for you? I'm assuming you're not Australian either, because I don't know why you would be up at 2:20 a.m. unless you were also trading New York session. No fair value gap has now been filled. It has been balanced. This little zone here. So we've just tapped into that. Now I want to see price pull back up. I see a lot of nice, what's it called, buy stops here. But I want to see them take out here. I want to see, yeah, pretty much I want to see price pull into here. Don't know if it will, but we'll see. Get rid of this. Don't really need it. Oh, yeah, that's right. I saw your name on my Discord today because the thing is, like, I wanted to kick a lot of people from my Discord because there's a lot that are inactive. So I'm going to kick them, but I'm seeing you interact with my content here, so I'll keep in mind not to kick you from the chat. 5 p.m. Sweet. Yeah, pretty much. Trading ICT now. Been doing so for a few months, as you can see here. Here's my testing sheet. Here's the live trades. I've only just recently started recording my like percentage gains. This is the trade I'm looking at today. I haven't entered yet, so still waiting. But yeah, like these are all the live trades. So I started live trading ICT almost 2 months ago. Prior to that, I was forward testing. Prior to that, I was back testing quite a lot, gathering sort of like as much data as I could. Yeah, live account. Still waiting for price to pull up. But yeah, I've been doing ICT for a bit. I like it quite a lot, to be honest. It is much better than my other sort of trading method. I was profitable trading my other method, but it wasn't as consistent. And I would say I was doing average 5 to 8% a month. But now we are trading much better using ICT. Then again, it hasn't been too long, so I am still what's it called? It's gonna take a while, pretty much. Like I think I've got it okay, just based on my previous like couple weeks of trading it, but it does take months, if not years, to figure out if you are actually consistently profitable trading this method. I back tested quite a lot. I forward tested a decent amount. I'm pretty confident with it. My results have shown that. So, yeah, I like ICT. I think ICT liked one of my tweets today, actually. show you in a sec. Let me just log into my shit. So we only have about an hour left until the AM session is done. After that, once it hits lunchtime, I'm out. I'm gonna go to sleep. Let's go. I was gonna share you guys my link tree so you can find me on other social medias as well. Are you guys still on the chat? If you are, I will send you. Yeah, sweet. You both are still here. All right. I'm gonna send you guys a little link. This is my link tree. You can find like all my other social media and stuff as well. Sweet. Yeah, follow me on Instagram and on TikTok and stuff. I'd appreciate that a lot. My mouse stopped working. Oh, did everything just freeze and price started rallying? Because I don't remember it being this close to entry. Tapped in and start pulling up. Sweet. Okay. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Wait, what? Why does it look like that? Okay, never mind. My computer just glitched out for a sec. Oh, that's right. I didn't see this. Alright, so fair value gap's imbalanced. So now I do want to see price shoot up. We are seeing a lot of short positions being opened. That's good. I want to see more shorts being opened because that's going to give us liquidity to push up and shoot down. Okay, perfect. Yeah, I'm starting to see some movement now. You know, how strong are we going to rally? I don't think it's going to be that strong, but I'm sticking to my plan. I'm not going against it. It's the #1 rule. You plan your trade, you trade your plan. You know what, I'm going to start kicking people from the Discord now from my phone. Alright, how do I do this? Alright, so while I'm waiting for price to pull up, I'm just going to head over to Discord. A lot of people to kick from the server. Okay, I got my alert there. I'm just gonna head over into my Discord so I can see who to kick and who not to kick. Right, so these guys want to stay. FX Gumby and Briz. And then the rest of these guys. So let's see. Kick him. Oh, sweet. We are pricing higher. Awesome. Well, we've got an hour to get here. Otherwise, I'm going to sleep. Alright, sweet. Everyone we got in here are people who want to be in. Okay. I'm not too keen to enter in this fair value gap, to be honest. Sticking to my plan. I want to see these highs get taken out, and plus price will be trading in a premium, so that's what we want from there to there. Yeah, we want at least price to be trading above there. That's good. We're seeing some price come in. Sweet. These longs are invalidating these guys' shorts. That's exactly what I want to see. I want to see them get liquidated. Take them out, then let me go short. Awesome. Let's continue pricing higher, please. That's what I like to see. If we do see a rejection from here and then this low broken, then that would also invalidate the trade. So we're looking for a straight run up into here for me to short. And it looks like price may be delivering that to us now. Engineering some sell stops. Don't need that. That's cool. 21210. Is it lagging that far behind? Let's see the pullback and shoot up again, please. Haven't even taken out these highs yet or rebalanced this. Feel like the pullback here is going to set us up for a strong move to the upside to take out whatever we have here. It's a long night, this one. It's one of those nights. 2:40 a.m. Oh well, what can you do? Gotta be here to be here, right? Gotta be here to win it. Gotta be in it to win it. Sweet. Push up some open interest. Gonna have a quick check through my socials. I'm starting to get hungry. Honestly, I don't think this trade's gonna happen at this point. It's taking ages. Got about 45 minutes left. Jeez. It's a long day today. It's a long night. Okay. If we break through this low, then I think the trade's done. Then I'm just gonna head to sleep. Alright, I'm gonna go inside and get some water and come back, see what's going on. Oh, hopefully price doesn't run to entry within that time. I highly doubt it, but we'll see. Put my phone on charge as well. Plug that shit in. Yeah, okay, that low's been broken. So unless I see a rally through, pretty sure my trade is done for the night. Half an hour left until lunchtime starts in New York. I reckon I'm gonna leave the live here. To be honest, not too sure. Don't think I'm gonna enter it. I think this was our entry here. Already missed it. Somewhere around there. Oh no, it's not. Cause it started at 9:30. Price pulled up. This is our entry here. So, unfortunately, we missed it. I reckon. It's not worth waiting around. Looks like price is gonna continue pulling down. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna end it here, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in tomorrow's live sometime around lunch. I don't think I'm getting up that early in the morning. It's pretty late. It's like my computer says 2 a.m. but it's an hour late, so what, 3 a.m. Wait, is it already?